Okay, it is true that Google has expanded the distribution of the Pixel 7 line to more countries, and that kind of helped this lineup to sell even more. But here's the thing, Google CEO said we recently had our highest selling week ever for Pixels. So that actually makes you think, what about the next gen? So we have some news about the Pixel 7a. So recently, an Amazon listing actually said that Pixel 7a might be coming even sooner than expected. Now, Google's A series phones are usually like the stripped down variant or a watered down variant of their flagship models, and mostly for those people who are looking for a mid-range phone. But the strategy has been a little inconsistent every time. If you look at the Google Pixel 5a, it actually has the same core specs and cameras of the Pixel 5, which was already a mid-range phone. But the same kind of approach can't be seen with the Pixel 6a. So even in most feature comparisons, the Pixel 6a seems like a little watered down variant of the Pixel 6 or 6 Pro. In some other cases, like in the chipset, it is actually having the same chipset as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, which is a flagship chip from Google. But at the same time, it is not having the same set of cameras, which is a little different. So the Pixel 7a will actually be powered by the Tensor G2 chip, just like the Pixel 7 series, but it will come with wireless charging, which is missing on the Pixel 6a. But that's not where it stops. The phone will actually gonna get the Pixel 7's 50 megapixel main camera and also a high resolution 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. But then again, the weirdest news is that it will also come with a 64 megapixel teleporter camera. Now, I just don't get it. Like, what that does mean, because the Pixel 7 doesn't even have a teleporter unit. The 7 Pro only had a 48 megapixel teleporter camera. So if that all doesn't make sense to you, it doesn't make sense to me either. Now, on top of that, the Pixel 7a could be the first to feature a premium ceramic build quality. Now, we have heard that all these things will be in the Pixel 7 Ultra, and this is a report from 9to5 Google, because all of us are expecting a Pixel 7 Ultra model, a Pixel 7a model, and a Pixel Notepad. But now it seems like the Pixel 7a is just going to be the Pixel Ultra. And yes, definitely, I have some upcoming news about the Pixel 7a. You definitely have to subscribe to this channel for that. And not just that, I have one another thing. If you own a Pixel watch or a Galaxy watch or any Wear OS watch or even Tizen watches, definitely check out my website for a lot of watch faces. All of them are free at this moment and they look amazing. Definitely check out my website. And here's the thing, you probably want this wallpaper pack, or maybe this one, or maybe that one, or probably all of them. I think you have a great choice. All of them are 8K wallpapers and they will look amazing on your devices. So definitely check out my website for them. Until the next one, bye and take care.